Jesus.
Yes!
Oh! What the f-
You literally rear-ended me while we're doing 100. Yes, correct, yes. Yes. I need to exit Calgary Trail. Yes. Yes, it is. Oh my god, he just rear-ended us again.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
He literally just rear-ended us again. Naeem Isa, put your seatbelt on, bro. Whoa, oh my god, man. We're almost on 11th Street. We're almost on 11th Street.
Yo, yeah, he's holding a fucking gun.
He literally pulled out a gun on us, man.
He's fucking pointing that shit, bro.
He's behind us, man. He is behind us.
What the fuck?
111th Street. On that beheading. Oh man. Oh man.
Fuck. This guy's going fucking crazy.
Luckily I got past some cars, but he's behind us. He's stuck in traffic behind us now. But like, whoa, man. What the fuck, man? Where did this guy come from?
What? I don't. Nah, he's.
No, I don't see him.
He's coming. He's fucking coming.
Is he really?
Yeah, he's back.
He's back.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't see him.
He's coming in hot. He's right fucking. He's dead behind us, bro. Just keep
There's
driving.
another highway patrol officer there.